Welcome to the Cleaning Services Chatbot Preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify how customers book cleaning services, making home and workplace care easier, guided, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message followed by a main menu featuring 4 service options: home cleaning, office cleaning, deep cleaning, and contact support. These are standard industry services, but they can be fully customized to match individual business needs and requirements. When a user selects deep cleaning, the chatbot asks them to choose a specific service. Once a service is selected, the bot shares a brief introduction along with 3 options: book now, get price, and go back. If the user selects get price, the chatbot displays clear pricing details. When the user clicks book now, the bot sends a short questionnaire to collect essential information such as office size, floor type, number of washrooms, preferred cleaning date and time, office address, and any special instructions. After all details are submitted, the chatbot instantly generates a complete summary of the request. Once the user confirms, the bot sends a final confirmation and acknowledgement message. This chatbot ensures a smooth, transparent, and user-friendly booking experience, from exploring services to confirming a professional cleaning appointment. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Cleaning Services Chatbot template installation process and flow builder overview.